are you?
How old are you? 5 years.
5 years old.
5 years.
Wow.
6 years.
Wow.
What did you learn today?
What did you learn today?
Say Salma.
Can,
Say names of colors.
Names of colors, names of planets, names of animals, days of week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, and December.
all right. Forgot November, but that's cool.
Can they
And they play.
read this? They can't.
Can you count to 10?
1 to 10? 1, 2.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 2,
Yeah.
5, 6, 7, 8,